we will try to draw a square. Okay, let the square be of side some 20 unit. So we take the line command. Start point, we will take some point on the screen. That will be the line starting point. We have put ortho on. So let's say uh, the unit is 20. I mean the length is 20. I am drawing a horizontal line first. Okay, and then the vertical line. So you move the cursor up and then you specify the distance. Okay, 20. Still the line command is active. So to draw the horizontal line, you have to move the cursor towards the negative x and then give the distance. But accidentally, if you have exited from the line command, okay, now we need to continue from this endpoint, or otherwise we have to delete the whole thing and then start from again, start from first. But if it is a very complicated drawing, then this is not possible. You cannot start from first again. Okay, so if you want to continue from this line itself, but the problem is we need to get the exact endpoint. Okay, so if you take the line command, you need to get the start point of the line should be the endpoint of this line. It should be the exact endpoint. Either you should know the coordinate of that point. Okay, if you know the coordinate of the point, then it's easy. But if you don't know the coordinate, then how will you take that point? How will you take the endpoint of that line exactly? So in that case, we can use an option which is known as object snap. The object snap toggle key is in the status bar. That is, this is the icon, the snap icon. I think that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th icon. Okay, you select that object snap option. You will see when you select that toggle, object snap will be on. Now when you the line command is active now. Now when you go near the endpoint of that line, you will see a square is getting highlighted. So that square indicates that that point is the endpoint. Okay, so once that square is indicated, then you select, then you click, then that point will be taken as the endpoint. Now you can continue. It's 200. Sorry, the distance will be 20. And here if you want to close, what you can do is either you give the distance as 20, or otherwise you go near the endpoint of that line. The endpoint will get highlighted and then you select. Okay, so that is about object snap. So this endpoint will get highlighted only when object snap is on. Okay, so still the line command is active. You exit, you press enter. So you exit from the line command. And one more important thing, this object snap will get highlighted, that endpoint will get highlighted only if a command is active. Now right now there is no command active. So when there is no command active and if you go near the endpoint, that endpoint will not get highlighted. Okay, so the endpoint will get highlighted only if a command is active. For example, now if I am giving line command, okay, and now if I am moving the cursor nearer to the endpoint, then that endpoint will get highlighted. Okay, so that is about object snap. For object snap, to activate the object snap, you can either activate through this toggle key, or otherwise you can using the function key, that is F3. F3 indicates object snap. Okay, so so now the object snap is off. So again, if you press F3, then object snap will be on. Okay, so one important thing that I want to remind you, object snap will highlight, or the snap will highlight only when a command is active. When there is no command, right now there is no command. Okay, the line command is exited. Now when you go near the endpoint will not get highlighted. So that understanding you must have.